राज्यात ह्या फावट शिवजयंती उत्सव थाटात मनयतले. फार्मागुडी किल्लो आनी भोंवतणचो वाठार सुशोभीत करतले. योग वेलनेस पर्यटन सुरू करून गोंयांक आध्यात्मिक पर्यटन स्थळ करपाचो यत्न करतले म्हण पर्यटन मंत्री रोहन खंवटे उलयला. डेस्क खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार.
आयच्या मिटिंगेक पयलें म्हणल्यार एक टॉपिक जाली इज ऑन स्पिरिच्युअल थॉट प्रोसेस वेर वी हॅव सो मेनी थिंग्स इन गोवा. हाऊ डू वी टेक इट टू अ नेक्स्ट स्केल? If we need to scale it up, then what are the things? So we will be to this coming year, we are looking at a lot of things which touch upon the spiritual sector. So एक टेम्पल कनेक्टर बरोबर घेऊन तांचे जो MOU केल्लो येता त्या ऑक्टोबरान immediately will be having a one-day conclave which will stitch lot of things with the connect with influencers and other fraternity. And thunjan we will start connecting one by one the steps for the next meeting. We will announce how the MOU will temple connect with his whole round. Maybe he will also share his ideas in terms of telling how he will connect the whole temple connect circuit with Goa, giving that things that आमची सगळी हिस्ट्री जरी असली it has to come up somewhere. Savani Shetty and Sanjeev Sardesai has been contributing from their side in terms of being influencers because they know the history of temples and areas very well, which can connect us in building up this spiritual story. आणि स्पिरिच्युअल म्हणटकर स्पिरिच्युअला बरोबर वेलनेस, स्पिरिच्युअला बरोबर होमस्टे, स्पिरिच्युअला बरोबर आमचे गोंयचे जेवण, स्पिरिच्युअला बरोबर गोंयच्यो फेस्टिविटीज, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स वी आर स्टिचिंग टुगेदर. Sanjeev Sardesai has been suggesting a lot of festivities, how it can be curated and how it can be put together. So all in all, today's thought process of ensuring that spirituality starts has taken place through this committee where we have taken the proposals from Temple Connect to move ahead, starting with the Temple Connect meet in Goa in October itself. Developing spiritual circuits discussions have happened, and I think within the next 1 month we should be able to announce spiritual circuits which also include not only temples but also build around it will be yoga, will be wellness and other things which will be made as one particular circuit. छत्रपती शिवाजी महाराजची हिस्ट्री आम्ही सदांच उलयत आसा. सप्तकोटेश्वर नार्वेच्यान सुरू जाली आनी फर्मागुडी जालो आणि तीच ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी घेऊन आम्ही या वर्सा आम्ही the topic of discussion also happened of Shiv Jayanti festival which had announced in the last sector. Chief Minister wanted this Shiv Jayanti to be done in major part. In the 350 years of Rajya Abhishek, we need to have a coronation thing done well. And taja khatir organizing the Shiv Jayanti festival, tourism department will be organizing this at one venue, plus supporting the 6 cities which we have announced in the past: Vasco, Margao, Ponda, Panje, Mapsa and Bicholi. All 6 cities will be supported with the people who have been doing there. Tanka support kashe karab te kartale, plus one major festival which we will be doing, which will include involving every youth, student, युवा क्लब्स जे आम्ही फॉर्म केला, युवा क्लब्स आम्ही इन्वॉल्व करतले of various colleges. Ambitiously, I think director is closed in about 58 clubs, and within this next month we should be touching another 17 clubs. So our commitment of 75 युवा clubs in Goa. 75 वर्षा आजादी का अमृत महोत्सवाच्या वेळा 75 युवा क्लब्स जे गोंयांत तयार जातले from different colleges will also be involved in this whole stitching of this type of programs.